So guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kezia right here. We're out today. Oh my god, my son is filming. We're out here today to just enjoy the weather. It's a good time out here. And I want to take this time to welcome everybody who has subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. Come on, buddy. Look at this kid. He's making me so proud right now. So proud of him. Look, he's climbing on his own. He's just one. I mean, he's turning 2 next month. 1, 2, 3, go! Whoa! Yay! For you. You can go and try the bigger one. Yeah, go. Go there. No? Okay. Oh, that was a nice one, Adam. That was good one. Yeah. Oh, I missed him. You guys, there's this guy. You seen that guy right here? Oh, wait, let me try and find. Where's my finger? He's going to lunch soon. How fun with this weather. Doing this kind of things. I wanted to share this with you. You see my nails, I haven't colored them yet. And I'm thinking, should I match the color with my toenail color? Or should I just like color different color on my fingernails? We're going to buy some ice cream right now. Are we only doing that? We're going to shop.
Then we're going to go.
That's what we're about to do. Adam is back there. I don't know if you can see him unless it's beside me, but yes. And we're going to shop tomorrow. I'll show you guys how lockdown looks here. It doesn't even look like lockdown, you guys. It doesn't look like it's quarantine or any social distancing. People are so close to each other. Nobody cares about coronavirus. They're just wearing masks now inside the shops, but not out here. Everybody's just, as you can see. You see that? Guys, we are out here. We parked the car all the way back there. I will show you when we're coming back. But right now, I really need to buy a new lens. This camera is always so zoomed in. We are walking. It's so cute. You see this place? I love summer, guys. Well, spring, but for me it's summer already. I don't care. I love spring and summer. This greenery you're seeing right here, the flowers are blossoming. Where are them flowers? You guys can see them? Okay, there they are. Yeah. 1, 2. You see my cute little baby.
We're going to put the wallet on the car. Put down there.
You can hear the birds. Yes, beautiful. There was this vlog that I made and it was winter time. It was full of snow in the same place here where we are right now. But I deleted that video. I don't know if I still have it. If I find it, I will upload it again. And this time I won't delete it. But look at these places. You remember if any of you watched that video?
It's beautiful, man.
It's so beautiful. Maybe I'll put clips of before and after of this place. What? This is so pretty. I want to take a picture right here.